Section 37 of 15,000 Useful Phrases by Grenville Kleiser. Read for LibriVox.org by Claire Gauger. Significant phrases: abashed and ashamed, abhorrence and repulsion, abilities and attainments, abject and hopeless, ably and vigorously, abrupt and perilous, absolute and eternal, absorbed and occupied, abstinence and self-denial, abstract and metaphysical, absurd and impertinent, abundant and sustained, abuse and slander, accentual and rhythmic, accidental and temporary, accomplished and popular, accurate and illuminating, achievement and character, acquisition and possession, active and aggressive, actual and immediate, acute and painful, admirable and accomplished, adorned and amplified, adroitness and judgment, adventurous and prodigal, advice and assistance, affable and courteous, affectation and coquetry, affectionate and warm-hearted, affluent and exuberant, affright and abhorrence, agencies and influences, ages and generations, aggrandizement and plunder, agreeable and ingenuous, aggressive and sullen, aghast and incredulous, agility and briskness, agitate and control, agony and despair, aids and auxiliaries, aim and purpose, airy and frivolous, alarm and uneasiness, alert and unsparing, all and sundry, allegiance and fidelity, alone and undistracted, alterations and additions, amazement and admiration, ambiguity and disagreement, ambition and determination, amiable and unpretending, ample and admirable, amusing and clever, analytical and critical, anarchy and chaos, ancient and venerable, anecdote and reminiscence, anger and fury, anguish and hopelessness, animated and effective, anomalies and absurdities, antagonism and opposition, antipathies and distastes, antiquated and obsolete, anxiety and trepidation, apathy and torpor, apologetic and uneasy, appalling and devastating, apparent and palpable, appearance and surroundings, apprehensive and anxious, appropriate and eloquent, approve and admire, apt and novel, archness and vivacity, ardent and aspiring, argument and inference, arid and unprofitable, arrangement and combination, arrogant and overbearing, artificial and elaborate, artistic and literary, artlessness and urbanity, ashamed and speechless, aspects and phases, aspiring and triumphal, assiduities and success, assimilated and combined, assagaged and pacified, astonished and curious, astound and perplex, athletic and nimble, atonement and forgiveness, atrocious and abominable, attacks and intrigues, attention and respect, attitudes and expressions, attractiveness and ability, audacity and skill, august and splendid, austere and icy, available and capable, avarice and cruelty, avidity and earnestness, awake and active, awe and reverence, awkwardness and crudity. End of section 37. This recording is in the public domain.